Spinning. I know this ain't no ZL1. I know this ain't no ZL1. Thank you for my thumbnail. I think this is ZL1. Oh, we got them toys out today. Whew. Y'all just gave me my thumbnail and my title. Gotta get something done to that, bruh. Gotta get something done to that, bruh. Oh. YouTube! Don't need no coach. I got my own bad, now I feel like a go. With the business here with y'all boys, with the business here. Look, y'all just hit 300 before end of the year, man. I feel like we can do that. You know what I'm saying? Me, I gotta drop a pressure video, you know what I'm saying? I gotta drop something, you know what I'm saying, that's hard. Like, you feel me? So y'all gotta drop ideas, drop videos y'all want me to do on here, bro. But December 20th, if I don't know, I'm gonna tell y'all, I got a clothing brand, Zemone, Z-E-M-O-N-E. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have a link to it in the description, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can subscribe to emails, It's dropping December 20th. December 20th is when my clothes drop. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw a little clip of like some of the clothes I got in the little like, you know what I'm saying? Some of the clothes I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna throw a little clip right now. Y'all think of that, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like it, appreciate it. If y'all don't like it, I appreciate your opinion. But today, we finna just cut up in the rain, you know what I'm saying? Part 2, because it is indeed raining right now. I'm finna throw y'all boys in the POV drive, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. Like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, I tell you, my Lord, be pissing me off. They keep stopping my video. Stop. Stop. Right now. Leave. Be having a video, the whole video be stopping because of a alarm I got. That crazy. What is it? A CRV. We finna get this CRV off the line. For y'all. Spinning. Ski. Kids, don't try this at home if you're watching this. If you do it in an open road. And things of that nature. Oh, I'm tripping, but I'm thinking the thing gonna go off. My little thing still on. And if y'all don't know, bruh, it's 9 o'clock, bruh. You know what I'm saying? 9 o'clock getting these videos out. You did. Saying. You feel me? But, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. I pick y'all boys up a little bit later. I got something to go do. And things of that nature. Boy, it is raining out today, boy. Well, it was raining harder a few minutes ago, but, you know what I'm saying? It ain't even raining hard, nah. But, comment, hey, what y'all want for Christmas? You know what I'm saying? What y'all young boys want for Christmas this year, man? They charging my word there. You know what I'm saying? Would y'all do that, bro? I don't even know if y'all can see it. Why I keep stop, bruh? Alright, I give up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but dude got like eyebrows or something on his headlights, bro. Would y'all do that? Me personally, I would never do that. Never in my life, boy. Couldn't be me. I do not understand the purpose of that. Or people that had that little funky tail hanging out they trunk. Why would you do that? You do that, you're weird. Saying. Couldn't even reach my little thing on my thing. Matter of fact, fuck, we're gonna get past that. New kill. Saying. Mustang. Oh, I'm tweaking. Boy, I done walked out the cribbo. I don't even got my wallet, bro. I was like, man, Challenger. I'm lacking right now, bro. I don't got my wallet. Wait. Oh well. You feel me? These videos gotta get out. That man, I should've turned my camera. That man ain't got a doggone, what's it called? He got Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer antlers on his truck with that little with the red nose. Could not be me. Couldn't be me. Gotta catch me, cuz I ain't going for it. I don't see how people do that. I'm sitting here talking about that. My mama used to put a bow on her truck, like in the front, like during Christmas. But that's different. She get a pad cause she my mama. And if you got a problem with it, deal with it. Okay. But, you know what I'm saying? I need some, like, I don't know. Like, this state just is not it. I tell you one thing, Vlogmas is not for the weak, boy. You post 25 videos or a certain amount of videos in a month every day, I salute you. I ain't gonna lie. Well, I can't do that. I mean, I could if I actually put my mind to it, but yeah, I can't do that. At least not in this state. This state ain't it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got 12 in front of us. Hey, slide in that thing. 12 gonna run it. go see a 12 on the drift with me. My thing turned off. 12! Wait. Nah, they ain't gonna take me to jail for that. Alright, he not even going that way. Let's see. But my arm getting tired, boy. That was right there. I think that's something fresh. Can I turn right here? What is it? Oh. What we got here? I know this ain't no ZL1. I know this ain't no ZL1. Thank you for my thumbnail. I think this is ZL1. Oh, we got them toys out today. Whew. Y'all just gave me my thumbnail and my title. Clickbait them. Nah, but like, what is it? Scatter datter. Big scatty waddy. Saying my arm is killing me, boy. I can't even lie. Yeah, I'll pick y'all boys up in a minute. Hold on. As soon as I said that, the light turned green. Oh, we got another charger up there. There's another charger up there. It's a charge up there. I ain't see what it was. Probably RT or something. It's a it was a scat behind me. And a Mero. Oh, got that old school. Got that old school out there. Crazy, my aunt used to have that same car, or a car like that. That thing was blue though. Speed up though. Know what I'm saying? Put that foot on the gas, mash it. Actually, don't mash it, cause you might spin out in that old school. Let me get past your aunt. Oh, whoa. Oh no. What are you doing? Stop that. Get off the phone. I'm telling people to get off the phone and I'm over here recording. Don't pull out, boy. Yeah. Here we go. Halt these down. We're gonna see what this is. Oh, it ain't nothing. Oh, that's it. I think that's a GT on the back. But I don't know how long this video might be a good little link. You know what I'm saying? You're probably gonna end the video right here, you know what I'm saying? Little POV drive in the rain and things of that nature. You feel me? Turn on them post notifications, you know what I'm saying? Like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video.